Get approved for over $5,000 in credit cards. I don't care if you're just now starting off, or maybe you messed up your credit. Maybe you had a bankruptcy. Maybe you had a lot of collections. I'm going to show you all how to build your credit fast and possibly get over $5,000 in credit cards. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. And if you ever have any questions, definitely let me know your questions down in the comments. I do not want to waste any time because there's so many credit cards we have to go over. So let's go ahead and go over these now. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about is their secure and unsecured cards. So I'm going to tell you a lot of different cards. If it is a secure credit card, that means you have to put down a deposit. Some credit card companies will tell you how much you have to put down as your deposit, and others will give you a range of how much you could put down. So we'll go over that for sure if you need to get a secure credit card. Usually if your credit is really bad, or if you're really building, if you want a certain company, you may have to go with a secure credit card, but we'll go over that. And then it's other unsecured credit cards where you don't have to put any money down. They'll just send you a credit card. So maybe they'll approve you, send you a $300 credit card, and you don't have to put money down on that card. If for some reason you try to unsecure credit cards, you can't get them. I'm telling you now, you guys, you trying to build your credit, you have to go with the secure. Like, for real, if you want to start building your credit, you have to go with the secure. Don't just think, oh, I'm just going to wait, because all the time that you're waiting and not getting a credit card, you could have been building your credit, and it don't take that long to start building your credit that you, so that you can get unsecured lines. So please keep that in mind. Now, I do think that you guys, I always like people to have at least 4 credit cards reporting to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you don't have any accounts, or I don't want to say just reporting, but reporting positive information. So 4 active credit cards, that's what I like for people to have. So if you don't have 4 credit cards, try to get 4 credit cards. So let's go through these accounts now. So the first account I want to talk to you guys about is Self. Now, the reason I want to talk to you about Self is because Self, they don't have any credit check requirements, and you can actually get 2 accounts in one. So they have a installment account that you guys can get, and when you have that installment account, after 3 months, you have the possibility of actually getting their credit card. So it's a Visa card. So I really like that card, and it's just basically, like I said, it's 2 accounts in one. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. It's a no-brainer. I definitely have a full review on all of these cards. I can't go into great detail on them, but if you go look at the review, I show you other people that got approved and things like that. So definitely check out all the full review. I'll have them down in the description, and I'll also have it in the comments. So guys, definitely check it out. Now, the next account I want to talk to you guys about is the credit builder card. Now, the credit builder card is, again, a no credit check credit card. You guys are going to like that. You can actually get 2 of them. It is a secure credit card, so you have to put a deposit down, and the deposit is $200. But listen, they're going to report within a week usually, or within 2 weeks, and you don't even have to have your card yet. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, this is a good thing, because the sooner these companies report to the credit bureaus, the faster your credit is going to start building. Credit is, can you take my money and can you pay it back? And when these companies say that you're taking their money and you're using their money and you paying it back, that's going to boost your credit score. So the faster these companies can report, the better for you. Now, again, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, and they don't really need any verification a lot of times. Now, I know in certain states you can't get it. Check out the full review. I'll let you know those states. But the credit builder card is like one of the best secure credit cards, because again, it's no credit check, so you don't have to worry about getting denied, and they're going to report within a week or 2. So I really like that. Now, for those people, again, you want to get a higher limit credit card, but you don't want it to be a secure credit card, then I want you to look into the Tumo credit card. So with the Tumo credit card, they can approve you all the way up to $10,000. Again, no credit check. They are going to look at your bank account. They're going to look at your history in your bank account, and then they're going to determine how much they can approve you for based off of that. So make sure you guys have all of that in order, so that you don't have a problem getting approved. Some people say you should at least have $800 in your account, or $1,000 in your account to get approved. And I tell people, don't have any like overdraft fees and stuff like that, because why would they want to give you some money if you have these negative things going on? So try to see if you can get approved for it. But if you can't, you know, it's other accounts that you can get, such as like the Kickoff. Now, Kickoff is going to report 2 separate accounts if you sign up for them. So they have one account where if you sign up for them, it's a $750 account. It's like a credit card, but you only can buy things on their website. But they're going to report that to Equifax and Experian. So they only report to 2 bureaus for this account that I'm telling you about, their credit account. But I see a lot of people, their credit scores go up so much from getting that Kickoff account. So I definitely suggest that you sign up for that Kickoff account. And they also have an installment account. I made made a video about this, the full review on an installment account. So definitely check it out. I'm actually still doing it since the video I signed up for. I pay $10 per month. I pay it for 12 months. I'm paying $120 total. After my 12 months, they're going to send me all that money back that I paid with no interest or any fees. The thing that I do like though is while I'm paying that $10 per month, they're reporting to the credit bureau. So that's helping to increase the credit score. So definitely check that out. And Kickoff is going to report in the beginning of the month. So for those people that sign up, you want to make sure you sign up right away. Like I'm letting you guys know, like by the time this video is posted, it's the beginning of the month, so you guys should be seeing them reporting about now if you guys already signed up for it, or next month you'll see a report in the beginning of the month. But just sign up right away so that they can start reporting. The sooner the better. Now the next card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover It Secure credit card. Now I really like this one because this one is a secure credit card, but you can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. Now they are going to check your credit. That's like one of the things. They are going to check your credit, but they can tell you yes or no on whether they can give you this card or not. Now this credit card is actually going to graduate. So say if you put a $300 deposit down or $200 deposit, in 6 to 8 months they'll give you your money back, plus they will increase your limit. So I like that. And the minimum deposit, like I said, is $200. You guys are going to earn cash back at the gas stations, restaurants for 2%. And you guys are going to get 1% cash back on anything else that you spend your credit card on. So you guys are actually getting cash back with this card. And the other cards, you know, you don't have rewards like this. This is one of the cards where it's going to be a little harder to get into. But once you get this card, it's going to be great that you have it, because there's other credit cards you can actually get with Discover. So definitely try to see if you can pre-qualify for this. If I were you, I would go straight to a card like this. And I also have it where you guys can possibly get a $50 credit, a statement credit, if you sign up. I don't know how many I have left, but definitely look in the comments, look in the description, and go to Discover and see if I still have enough of that statement credit that you guys can get when you get approved for it. But definitely check that out. Now another one I want to talk to you guys about is a Capital One Secure Platinum credit card. Now this one again can pre-qualify you. They say I usually graduate in about 6 months, and there's no annual fee. I didn't mention it before, but Discover also doesn't have an annual fee, and it, just like this was no annual fee for these cards. So annual fees usually is how much you're going to pay per year just to have that card. So this one is no annual fee. Now this one is going to start with a $200 limit, but depending on your credit, they may tell you to put $49 down, $99 down, or $199 down, or $200 down. I'm sorry, $200 down for you guys to get that credit card. But no matter how much you put down, you're still going to get a $200 limit, and it's could graduate in 6 months. Just make sure you pay your bills on time. You don't have new negative accounts reported or new late payments, because that's going to mess it up for you guys to get a credit card. Now if you already have so many late payments, all these negative accounts, and you can't get like the Discover It and the Capital One, try to get the Open Sky credit card. This one, it don't have a credit check at all, so they really won't deny you for it. I heard somebody say it upgrades. If you ever had the Open Sky, let me know, because I heard somebody say that actually upgrade to an unsecured card. That may be a new thing that they're doing. I don't know. Could be somebody spamming in the comments, but definitely let me know. It is going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, and they do have an annual fee. But I always tell people, if you can't get any credit card and you need to get at least 4 credit cards, you guys try to see if you can get that Open Sky credit card, because so many people got that credit card and it boosted their credit score just from them reporting to the credit bureaus. Now another card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover It Student Chrome credit card. Now this one is another Discover credit card. You can pre-qualify for it. You get cash back for this one also, and you also don't need to have any credit history. So if you're a student right now and you don't have any credit history, you have a great chance of actually getting this one, and it's going to help you build your credit. They don't have any annual fee, and with all Discover cards, something I didn't mention is that they're going to double your cash back that you get for your first year. So whatever you get in your first year as cash back, they're going to double it. So whatever that number is, they're going to double it, and they're going to put in your account. So I really like that. Now I have a PDF for all of these credit cards that I'm talking to you all about, so definitely check out that PDF and let me know if you have any questions about these cards, because I can definitely answer any questions that you have. Now in that PDF, it's going to tell you, say if you look at the Discover Ed Student Chrome credit card, it's going to tell you 3 other credit cards that's just like that one that you may be able to get approved for. So if you like one of these credit cards, once you get the PDF for that credit card, apply for that credit card, and then see the other 3 credit cards, because you could possibly apply for those and get approved for that. And the goal is that they report to the credit bureaus to help boost your credit score. So definitely check that out. Now, the next credit cards I want to tell you all about is the Credit One Bank credit card, the Mission Lane, and then one additional credit card. So the Credit One Bank credit card, you guys can actually pre-qualify for this one. They have so many different credit cards that you guys can pre-qualify for. So just do the pre-qualification and see which credit card they can give you. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. They are bankruptcy friendly. So if you had a bankruptcy, I see people get approved a month after filing bankruptcy, Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So definitely try to see if you can get the Credit One Bank credit card, but they do have an annual fee. They have one with no annual fee. You can try to see if you can get that one, but most likely a lot of people get that $39 annual fee credit card. That's not that bad, knowing that they are going to report to the credit bureaus. And then I've seen people get increases with this and then get offered additional credit cards after they had the Credit One Bank credit card. So definitely it's a great card to look into. Now, another credit card, the Mission Lane credit card, they can pre-qualify you. I heard that they actually do give increases. A lot of people was speculating that the most you can get approved for with this credit card is $2,000, but you guys can pre-qualify, which is really good. Let me know if you guys have any of these credit cards at all, because you guys can definitely, like I said, when you get these credit cards, you guys are going to see your credit score go up. You can definitely build your credit from having these credit cards. And another secure credit card is the N Rewards credit card. They can actually pre-qualify you. That credit card, you can get a $2,000 limit when it graduates, even if you put a $200 deposit down. Usually your credit card is going to graduate in about 6 months. So definitely try to get that credit card. You can pre-qualify, like I said, for this credit card. Some people say you don't have to wait the 6 months. They can start pre-qualifying you at 3 months, but I don't see a lot of people getting that. So I like to stick to the 6 months, because some people even at that 6 months don't see that graduation. They don't see the card get increased. But I always tell people, they tell you what they want. They don't want you to have any late payments or any new negative accounts, and they want to see you being responsible with this credit card plus other credit cards you already have. So do that, and you have a great chance of this card actually graduating. They don't have an annual fee for this credit card, and this credit card is bankruptcy friendly. It's even more friendlier than the Discover is Secure credit card when it comes down to bankruptcies. So definitely go ahead and get the N Rewards. And if you get that N Rewards, let that one graduate, or just have that credit card and then get the Discover. If Discover deny you, like say if you apply right now, Discover it Secure deny you right now, just go back and apply for it. You can pre-qualify for it every month. Just wait till some of these accounts or these credit cards start reporting. Should make your credit score go up, and then you can go back and apply for those ones that you really want if you want to. But I usually tell people, check back every month, maybe check back every 3 months. If you see Credit Karma say your credit score went up 40 points, 50 points, then go ahead and pre-qualify again at that time. And no annual fee. You cannot you can't get anything better than that when it comes down to a secure credit card. Now, last but not least, I want to talk to you guys about the Pet One Visa card. They can approve you all the way between $300 and $5,000. It's also bankruptcy friendly, and it's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved for these credit cards, definitely look into my exclusive membership. I teach you guys on how to build your credit even further. If you have negative accounts, I teach you guys how to remove it. I even have letters there for you guys to send in. And if you want us to, we can actually mail out them letters for you for free, as long as you're a member of the exclusive membership. Because I know some of us, we just like, credit is really just mailing out the letter, figuring out what's wrong, getting the right letter and mailing it out. And some of us are just so busy, so I can definitely understand you guys needing help mailing out those letters. But that's something that we do for the people that's a member for free. So definitely check that out, and then check out these other videos here. YouTube know exactly what you want, so they know what you want to watch. So definitely check it out, and don't forget, get my free guide on my blog. It's a guide with all these different credit cards, and I'll see you guys in the next video.